All right, if you're wanting to insert audio into your Google Slides, for example, you want to add the directions that are written, but you want an audio version of them also. The very first thing I suggest doing is creating a folder in your Google Drive, name it Google Slides Audio, whatever you want. So we'll go ahead and create this folder. And then once the folder is created, click on it if it doesn't already highlight blue, and come up here to the link. When you click on the link, we're going to make it so that the folder, anything you put into it, will automatically be viewable or heard by anyone with the link. So we're going to click that, and then we're just going to click done. So now I don't have to make sure every audio file I create, I go into it and make sure the link sharing is on. So anything I create now that's an audio, I'm going to go ahead and add it to this folder. Then I want you to go up and open a new tab and type in cloud audio recorder. It's a website. There is no extension for this, but the reason why I like Cloud Audio Recorder is because it gives you the option of, so you don't use any of these. This is an ad, and because it's free, you'll have to deal with the ads. Don't use this down here either. It's an ad for this lucky PDF converter. So basically what you do is you click start, you record, you can stop or pause it, then you export it as an MP3. And then over here, it'll give you the option of playing it back to listen to it, and then you can save it to your Google Drive. So let me demonstrate this for you. Let's give it permission, allow, and it might ask you for another permission. So the Cloud Audio Recorder is a quick, easy way to record audio that you want on a Google slide deck. It saves it right into your Google Drive. Stop, or I could have paused it. And now I'm going to export this as an MP3. Not a WAV file, MP3 file. So here I can play it back.
It might ask you for another permission.
So I'm good.
It might ask you for another
now,
permission.
Let me pause this. I can save it to my computer if I want, but the ideal thing, and this is what's great about Cloud Audio Recorders, I can save it right to my Google Drive. So I'm going to save that to my Google Drive. I can rename it. So let's say this is for, let's see, week 5, lesson 1. Name it whatever you want, whatever helps you keep track of what it is. And now I can go save to Google Drive. And I have to log in and authorize it to access my Google Drive. So I'll go ahead and click here. And then go to the bottom and click allow. And it will let you know when it's completed. It's now completed. So now I can go to my Google Drive. And they're saved. You can tell what they look like. We'll wait for it to load. Probably have too much going on right now. So it's like white with, since it starts with a W, it's going to be at the bottom. But it's a white paper with a red headphone on it. Here it is. So this is, well, that's one, my audio recording. That's one I was doing for someone else, I'm sure. So let's see, W, here it is. Nope, that's W. Okay, let's see. I wonder where it saved it to. Let's just search for it. That will make it much easier. Week 1, oh, would I call it week 5? Look for week 5. And this is all the stuff that's submitted in your Google Classrooms. Go to recent. My audio recording. Maybe this is it. Let's listen to this.
Allow. It might ask you for another permission.
It is. So for whatever reason, it saved it as my audio recording. Oh, yep, here it is. It didn't take the name change. Change. Okay, maybe I needed to click change. Unit, week 5, lesson 1. Change. There we go. Now save to Google Drive. Okay, now let's go back to Google Drive. And there it is. I went to recent. So now when I click on this, I right click onto it and I can move it to that folder. So I'm going to find the Rondo folder where I created that file. And then I'll find Google Slides. What did I name it? Google Slides Audio, and then move. Now, to open a slide presentation, to add audio, I'll just pick a slide presentation here. Boy, this is really slow. Presentation, search. I apologize for that naming thing. So this one is not mine. Oh, actually, these are from the classrooms I'm a student in. Goodness gracious. So let's pick one of those. We'll do this one. So I'm going to add audio to this. It's my assignment from, I think, Mrs. Russell's class. I'm not really sure. No, boy cat, that can't be. That looks like 5th grade. All right, so what I'm going to do is insert audio. And then I'm going to pull the audio that I want. It should pull up the most recent. So every time you make one, the most recent should be showing here. So these will be all my MP3 files that come up once it's done generating the list. So here's week 5, lesson 1, and here's that other one. Though it's the same file, I just renamed it, so it saved it twice. So I click on it, select it. And then here are all the controls that you'll have with it. You can loop it. You can make it automatically start if that's something you're interested in. When you click here, let's see, where did it go? It's going to be around here somewhere. Oops. There it is. It's really tiny. I know it's hard to see. You can move it outside if you want. Wherever you put it, though, I suggest always putting it there so it's easy for the students to find it. So with a busy slide like this, it's probably a better idea just to click it, drag it over and make it larger on the side or put it at the bottom. And then the kids, when they see it, they just click play.
So the cloud audio.
And that's all you have to do. So I hope this helps. Please reach out to me if you need any other help. And I hope this works.